Hello everyone, welcome, and you are watching my channel Queen of Success, and we are doing this 30 days long challenge that is called Loving Yourself series. Okay, and we have already completed day 4, and here in this video we are for the day 5 and day 6 challenge. Okay, so I hope you are really enjoying this challenge as much as I am doing. So one thing that I wanted to share with you, that why we love someone. We love someone, and that love is really genuine, true, unconditional if we know everything about that person. Okay, their good qualities, their flaws. No one is perfect. Everyone has some one or two or some flaws. Okay, and then also after knowing that flaws, we love that person. That is in our parent, our mother, our father, our partners, anyone. We know everything about them and still we love that person. Okay, so the same thing applies for self love also. If we want to truly love and acknowledge ourselves, we need to accept each and every part of ourselves, each and everything about ourselves. And if we don't like something in us, we can only change in loving way. We can't change in a negative way, like by criticizing, by judging that this I don't like about myself. You know what we dislike, it only increases, and we can't get rid of that negative flaw of ourselves. Okay, so in loving ourselves series, it's very important to know that how we respond, how what triggers us, and various things about ourselves. So in this whole 30 days challenge, I am trying to let you know yourself completely 100%, so that you can better know and you know everything about yourself, so that you can increase your loving yourself. The self love quotient of yourself can increase. Okay, so in day 5 video, get ready, grab a pen and paper, and you will soon come to know what you need to do about day 5. Okay, so we all sometimes don't feel very good. We feel sad, and sometimes we know the reason that I have this problem and this is the reason I am not feeling good. Perhaps something went wrong in the office, something went wrong in the family, anything it can be, and you are not feeling good. So we are not feeling good, and that not feeling good is our energy. It is an emotion. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to first accept that I am not feeling good and I am feeling particularly sad, or sometimes we don't know anything that we are feeling sad or what we are feeling. So what we can do, we can write certain action. What are action? Action is moving something. Okay, so these actions will move our low state, not feeling good, sad, angry, anything. It can be any emotion that you are not feeling happy, you are not in a joyful state. Anything other than not feeling happy, not feeling peaceful, not feeling joyful is that low state. Okay, and you can name it anything, be it like you are depressed, you are feeling grief, anything. So you will write today in day 5 challenge 5 action points that will shift you, that will help you shift. And it can be anything. It can be listening to song. Okay, it can be just walking, it can be seeing the sky, it can be eating your favorite food, it can be cooking something special for yourself, it can be going to a old age home, doing something for the old people, doing something for the children, volunteering. It can be doing a meditation, it can be talking to a friend, calling a friend, it can be hugging someone you really love. So what are the action steps that you can take when you are not feeling good? This is all about day 5 challenge. You need to know that what are the action steps, and you need to write it down so that it is handy, and whenever you are not feeling good, you can just go to that list and do one of that action, and you will definitely feel a shift. Okay, so do you want to be in that low state forever? No. Okay, I am not telling that if you are feeling low, just do this action. No, first of all, acknowledge, I am not feeling good, I am feeling this. So do I need to feel this? Do I need to continue feeling this? And when you feel that okay, this is enough and I want to come out of this state, then you will perform those actions that you will write in day 5 challenge. So just grab your pen and paper and write your 5 action points that you will do when you are not feeling good. Okay, so I will give you my example of that what I do when I don't feel good. First of all, I just grab a pen and paper and write everything that is coming outside, like that want to come out, that is flowing from me. And then I come to know that okay, this is the reason I'm not feeling good. So I suppose I'm not feeling good and I'm just sitting and I'm not coming to a point, to a conclusion, what is the reason I'm not feeling good. So when I write, it comes out in the form of paper, it's come out in the physical form. And we live in a materialistic world. Everything is like our bodies are physical, we can touch it, it is tangible. Okay, so when we have the list ready, so I was talking about myself. Okay, so what are the 5 things that I can do when I'm really not feeling good? I can just cook something. Okay, I can try some new recipe, I can cook anything that I really like and I love eating that outside, so I do that. Okay, and then after doing that cooking, certainly I feel so good. I just forgot about the emotion that I was feeling. I was not feeling good, I was like worried, anxious, stressed about certain thing in my life. So the second thing is cooking, and the third thing is going out with my mom. So I love the company of my mother, so I go out with her, and I really, when I come back, everything just settles down. I feel very peaceful. Okay, so this is the third thing. So I am giving you examples so that it can help you write down the 5 action steps that you can do when you are really upset, when you are really not feeling good and you want to come out of that state. Okay, so these are very handy 5 action points that you will do and you will write. So this is all about day 5 challenge. I hope you will share with me and let me know that what are those unique 5 action steps that you will take when you are not feeling good. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this challenge and taking full advantage of it, 30 days challenge, and really you will feel a shift if you do all this 30 days task sincerely. Okay, so all the best, and keep writing, keep posting, keep updating me about everything that is coming up for you. Okay, and now we will move to day 6. Woohoo! You have completed day 5 and here we are for the day 6. Okay, so in day 6 we are going to perform that activity. We are going to take action. The universe loves action. Okay, the universe loves action. The universe loves those people and it fulfills their wishes who do something, who take action for their goals. Okay, and here we are taking action for our emotional health. We are taking action for our emotions that we talked about in day 5. We are not feeling good and we have written 5 action steps that we will perform, and we will shift that emotion, and that we are doing some action, and the universe will gift us with a happy state, with a joyful state. So are you excited to do that challenge? I am really excited because I love those 5 things that I have written and to do. Okay, so suppose you have written in your day 5 like 5 action steps. Suppose you have written going out to have a ice cream with anyone, with a friend, or you can go yourself also. I do it many times. Okay, so I assume many people watching might love their own company as well, so they have written that action point also. So you have to perform one of the action step, that is your day 6 task. Okay, so you can go out and have a ice cream with self, with any people you love. You can take your dog, your pet, to a walk. You can pamper it, you can spend some quality time with them. Anything that you have written in your action steps, you can play with any kid in your neighbor. You can buy something for yourself, but that is also like overindulging, and I don't like shopping when I'm not feeling good, because that is just like emotion that makes us triggers to buy something. So excluding that, every other action point is good and is a healthy. It is not like we are expending, okay, that is we don't do normally. And if we do continue doing that, those action steps, so we will be in a positive state that will keep us positive, joyful, happy, peaceful. So it can be a simple thing, just lying down outside and just watching the stars, watching the sky. So I don't really know what you have written in day 5, unless you let me know in the by writing in the comment box, okay. So are you excited to perform that action? It can be simple thing also, it can be singing, it can be voicing out, it can be dancing, anything, okay. So just perform one of the activity that you have written in your day 5. Just perform that challenge that you have written, that activity that you have written in day 5, anyone, okay. I am not telling you to do two things, and just feel the energy that you get after you complete that activity. After you complete that action, be ready to let the universe shower you with love, with happiness, with joyful, and that energy, that re that mm, energy, vitality to just go ahead with your life. So just do it, perform it, and do let me know. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, and then please subscribe, okay. And please like, feel free to share this challenge with anyone that you feel that would benefit from doing this challenge, okay. And then I will see you in day 7, day 8, and all the rest of the challenge, okay. So take care, take good care of yourself and your family, and be positive. Thank you.